Libby from the Downtown Reno Library, and welcome to the Washoe County Library System's Teen Wellness Series. In this series, we'll be focusing on self-care, or in other words, doing something that is loving for yourself and makes you feel confident and boosts your self-esteem. Whether it be time alone to yourself, a luxurious bath, journaling, or exercising, self-care can come in many forms. And summer break is the perfect time to find and practice your favorite self-care activities. So when school rolls around, you have a toolkit of ideas or a routine you can use when you're under more stress and have less time to experiment. Some of my favorite self-care activities are walking in the park and reading outside on sunny days, drinking tea while listening to music, and practicing a nourishing skincare routine. So today I'm going to share with you a refreshing and simple face toner to pamper and protect your skin during the dry summer days. So what you'll need, it's super simple with things you can find in your kitchen right now. You'll need water, honey, apple cider vinegar, dried chamomile flowers or a chamomile tea bag, a small bowl, a measuring spoon, a tablespoon if you will, a spoon to stir, and then just an empty glass container. I just recycled some of these from, baby food. This is an old face toner that I used. So as long as it's clean and sanitized, you can use it. All right, so you'll want to start by boiling 1 cup of water and steeping your chamomile flowers or your chamomile tea bag for about 10 minutes. And once that time is up, you'll remove all the flowers or the tea bag. So I already have that ready right here. And then you'll want to add 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay. Next, you'll want to add 2 to 6 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar. If you have dry skin, you're going to want to add less apple cider vinegar, and if you have kind of more oily skin, you can add up to the 6 tablespoons. So I have a little bit oily skin, so I'm going to add 4 tablespoons. All right, and then you'll just want to stir until the honey is dissolved and everything is mixed in nicely. Once we have it all mixed together, we're ready to put it in one of our bottles. And if you have a funnel, it does make it a little easier to pour it in. Ooh, got a little bit in there. All right, and yeah, just have a towel handy so you can wipe up your spills. And remember, it does have a little honey in it, so it might be sticky. All right, and the easiest way to use this is whenever you need a little refresher, a little pep, you can either spritz a little bit right on your face. I like to pat it in. Or if you have a little jar like this, I like to get a cotton ball and you can soak it and just wipe your face whenever you'd like. Thanks so much for joining me, friends. For the recipe you learned today, and for more fun ways to practice self-care, follow the link provided. And make sure you keep an eye out for the rest of our Teen Wellness series continuing through the summer. Bye for now.